Davis Manufacturing and Packaging, the leader in premium pet care products and services, also offers a powerful and effective service for other businesses, private label services. With our reputation for quality, many leading national brands trust Davis to manufacture and fill their products. We serve a wide variety of industries with a common need: dependable private label service based on experience and attention to detail.
We've been filling products here at Davis for 30 plus years. We have liquid, powder, and granule lines running. We've run a wide variety of materials, so there's really no learning curve for us when we're working with a new private label packaging customer.
What's more, the private brands we make and fill are sold in major retail and online distributors across the U.S., ensuring vast customer exposure.
Well, we're not just a manufacturer, we're consultants too. A customer can come to us with just an idea for a product, and we can help them turn that into reality.
Grow your business. For more information about our exciting private label program, click on the contact button.